Hey y'all, it's Ann at Georgia Campers, and today I'm going to take you on a tour of this Gulf Stream Innsbruck 26BHG. Come on in. So the first thing I want to show you here is in the kitchen living area. You'll notice here that you've got a booth dinette. Now remember, as always, that the table drops and this becomes a sleeping area. Got lots of storage up above, either side. Remember, anywhere you see a TV backer sticker, that's where your TV goes. There's cable ready. As we turn here also into the living area, you've got this couch. Now I'll show you in just a minute, this couch drops and becomes a bed as well. You've got storage up top. And then here, as we move into the kitchen, you've got storage above and below. So let's start above. Double doors open, lots of places up top, cereal, crackers, anything you might need. Microwave oven, 3-burner stove with storage underneath. 2 drawers, and storage underneath the sink. Great double basin sink, residential type faucet, and a window over the sink, which makes it nice and bright. So as we move back here, the first thing you'll see are these large oversized bunks, top and bottom. What's really great here, both of them have a window, both of them have a light. So it's raining today as I'm taking this video, and you see how much light is in this camper, even though it's dark outside. As we move here into the bathroom, you've got a tub and shower combo, plenty of room to bathe littles if you've got them, skylight above and a fan up top. You've got a potty, sink, storage underneath, medicine chest, my keys, which just hit the ground. Moving here, we've got an oversized refrigerator freezer. Now remember, these run with the 7-way plugged in, so you can begin cooling as soon as you start running your trailer. And then here, I'm going to show you with just one hand, because I'm holding the phone, how easy it is to drop this and make a bed. As we move here into the bedroom area, you see a queen bed. You've got storage on either side. You've got USB and plugs. Plenty of space here for sweaters, anything you might see here. Overhead storage on both sides. Storage here. And now on this side, you notice you don't have a shelf. So you've got your wardrobe hanging, coats, sweaters, etc. And your queen size bed. Moving back in here into the living area, you'll see again how nice and bright it is. Lots of light, plenty of room to sleep. So you've got sleeping for 2 here, 2 here, 2 here, and 2 in the bunk area here behind the bathroom. So you could sleep 8 people in this camper if you wanted to. Again, this is the 24BHG Gulf Stream from Innsbruck. Y'all, thanks for watching the tour of this 2021 Gulf Stream Innsbruck 26BHG. Remember, if you click right here, you'll subscribe to our YouTube channel, so you'll see everything that we get on the lot as soon as we get it in. And if you click over here, you'll go to a playlist of other bunkhouses with campers just like this one. Y'all, thanks for watching. Have a great day.